Okay.
Okay.
Christina over here is gonna do the cinnamon challenge because she thinks she can do it.
Crystal won't do it because she's a scaredy
Because
cat
I'm
and
not
she doesn't-
stupid. First of all, I'm not stupid.
No.
And she's gonna do it. It's all already there. Yeah, see it? Ground cinnamon and
Cinnamon's got nothing on me. Just okay.
Can do it. Go.
Can't
Bye.
believe she's not doing this with me. You're gonna swallow a bunch of powder.
Zero.
How hard can that be?
Do it.
Oh my god! I'm in pain. I'm like childbirth.
That's why
I can't
didn't do it. There you go.
I feel that in your face. I'll clean this up. Oh my god, it's not good. This is horrible. I can't. Oh god. Ew.
Do you see that in there?
Ew! Ew! It's stuck in my throat!
And that's what you get for not listening to me.
Oh my god. That's not fun. Oh, cat. Oh. That's how you do it like a boss. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Are you really that good?
Yeah, fine. I've done it. I'm all good. I'm all good. That was a sneeze.
Yeah,
I faked that.
Oh,
Just had something in my throat. I'm all good.
yeah.
Can you
All
turn
right.
that
Well,
off?
that's Christina thinking she can do the cinnamon challenge.
I did do it, kind of.
Yeah, the sync. Really enjoyed that. All right. Bye.